Good morning. Welcome to grade 3 English class. Topic: building words from different words. Learning objective: to build words from other words with similar meanings. Starter activity: name the given pictures. Aqua park, aquarium. What was common in both the words? The word aqua. Aqua means water. What are these animals called? Answer: aquatic. These are aquatic animals. Let us try with some other words. The word is medi, and the two other words having similar meanings are meditation or medical. What do we eat to get well when we are sick? And another word with medi is medicine. Astro means stars, and the word astro has two similar meanings: astrology and astronaut. Thermal means temperature, and the two words having similar meanings are thermal and thermos. Another word with thermo, guess the missing word. We use dash to check our temperature. And yes, that is thermometer. Anti means against, and some similar words are antibiotic, antivirus, and antiseptic. Choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Mum put some dash on his cut knee. Your word choice is antiseptic or anti-gravity. And the right option is antiseptic. Mum put some antiseptic on his cut knee. Look at the picture and guess the related words. Bake. And the related words are baker, baked, or a bakery. Act means to do something. And some related words are action, actor, and acting. Try means 3. Look at the picture and tell the names. Try, tricycle, triangle, triple. Do you know what do we call to 3 babies born together? And the word is triplets. Assessment. Choose the correct answer. Sam wants to become N dash when he grows up. Your options are astronaut or astrology. We use dash to check our body temperature. Thermal or thermometer. We can get cakes from a bakery or baked. John wants to ride a triangle or tricycle. And the right answers are astronaut, thermometer, bakery, and tricycle. Thank you and have a nice day.